Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So, students, let's start today's class. Now, students, yesterday we have done addition and subtraction, and I hope you understood very easily addition and subtraction. And today we will do multiplication. The other way, when we solve the sums of multiplication, we write the question, find the product. Find the product means the answer of when we multiply two numbers, the answer is called the product of that two numbers. That answer is called the product of that two numbers. So our question is, find the product means multiply. We write in the bracket multiply. So find the product. These sums are of multiplication sums. So students, first we will do multiplication by a two-digit number. We will do multiplication by two digits numbers, and after two-digit number, then we multiply by three-digit number. First we multiply two-digit number. Now write down the sum, students. Work starts from new page. Write down the date, CW, and heading find the product. Multiplication by a two-digit numbers. Write your work very neat and clean with the help of blue ball pen and black ball pen. Write questions from black pen and the sums from answers from blue pen. So students, write down sum number A. 87 multiplied by 12. 12 is two-digit numbers. So 12 is 10 plus 2. 2 is in the ones place and 10 is in the 1 is in the tens place. 1 is 10 and 2 is 2. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. First we multiply by ones number. Ones number is 2. So 2 7 ja 14. 14 to 4 now carry 1. 2 8 ja 16 plus 1 carry 17. So this is 87 multiplied by 2. Write down in the bracket 87 multiplied by 2. 12 means 10 plus 2. Then 87 multiplied by 2 is equal to 174. And then we put 0. Now 1 is 10. The place of 1 is tens. Tens means 1 0 10. So we put this 0 here. We put this 0 here. So we multiply by 1. 1 7 ja 7 and 1 8 ja 8. So this is the answer of 87 multiplied by 10. First we multiply 87 multiplied by 2. Then we multiply 87 multiplied by 10. So 87 multiplied by 10 is equal to 870. So now add these two products. 4 plus 0 4. 7 plus 7 14. Carry 1. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 carry is equal to 10. So our answer is 1044. So 87 multiplied by 12 is equal to 1044. So this is the method of multiplying by two-digit number. Again 10 plus 2 12. 87 multiplied by 2 is equal to 174. Then 87 multiplied by 10 is equal to 870. Then 87 multiplied by 12 is equal to, we add these two products. So the 87 multiplied by 12 is equal to 1044. So students, write down sum number A. Now second is also two-digit multiplication. First 43. Write down sum number B. 43 multiplied by 32. So again this is 32 means 30 plus 2. The place of 3 is 30 and the place of 2 is ones. The place of 3 is tens and the place of 2 is ones. First we multiply by ones number. So 43 multiplied by 2. 43 multiplied by 2. So 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8. So 43 multiplied by 2 is equal to 86. Then we multiply by tens number. So tens number is 30. This is 30. So 43, this is 32. तो 2 से हमने यहाँ पे multiply कर लिया. Then again we multiply by 30. तो 30 means this 0. We put this 0 here. So अब हम इसको किससे multiply करेंगे? 3 से, because we put here. Then 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. So 43 multiplied by 30 is equal to 1290. So add these two products. 6 plus 0, write the sign of addition. 6 plus 0 6, 9 plus 8 17, 17 7, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 and 1 is 0. So 43 multiplied by 32 is equal to 1376. So students, first we separate these numbers. 30 plus 2, then we multiply 40 multiply by one's number is 2, then 40 multiply 43 multiply by tens number is 30, then the answer of 43 multiplied by 2 is 86 and 43 multiplied by 30 is equal to 1290. Then add these two products, so we will get the answer 1376. This is the answer of 43 multiplied by 32 is equal to 1376. So students, I hope you understand very easily how we multiply two-digit numbers. So write down some number A and B. Now students, next sum is sum number C. Now sum number C is, now in this sum we multiplication by 3-digit numbers. In these two sums we multiplication by 3-digit numbers. First we multiply by 2-digit number, then we multiply by 3-digit numbers. Now sum number C is 217 by 217 multiplied by 123. So we separate 123. 100 plus 20 plus 3. So 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place means 20 and 1 is in 100 place. The place of 1 is 100. So this is 100, this is 20 and this is 3. So write down in bracket 100 plus 20 plus 3. So first we multiply by ones number. The place of ones is 3. 3 is the place of ones. Now 217 multiplied by 3. So 3 7 ja 21, 21 ka 1 carry 2, 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 5, 3 2 ja 6. So 217 multiplied by 3 is equal to 651. Now next we multiply by tens number. The tens number is 20. So we multiply 217 by 20. So the 20, the 0, this 0 we put 1 0. In 20 there is only 1 0. So put 1 0 here, then multiply by 2. 2 7s are 14, carry 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 and 2 2s are 4. So 217 multiplied by 20. The answer is 4340. Okay students, we put this 0 we put here, then this is only 2, so this is also only 2. So 2 7s are, so 217 multiplied by 2 and we put 0 here. Now next now last we multiply by 100. The place value of 1 is 100. So there is we multiply 217 by 100. In 100 there is 2 0. So we put 2 0 here. Now multiply by 1. 0 हमने यहाँ पर put कर दिया, only 1 रह गया. So 1 7 जा 7, 1 1 जा 1, 1 2 जा 2. So add all the products. वो तीनों products को हम add करेंगे. 1 0 0 is equal to 1. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 0 9, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 7 16. 16 का 6 carry 1, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 carry is 6 and 2. So our answer is 26,691. So देखिए students, see at the blackboard, 217 multiplied by 3 is equal to 651. Then 217 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40. Then 217 multiplied by 100 is equal to 21,700. So add these all products. So 217 multiplied by 123 is equal to 26,691. So students, write down sum number C, and sum number D is also 3-digit multiplication. See at the blackboard, 435 multiplied 127. So we separate. The place value of 1 is 100, 20 is 2 tens, and 7 is ones. So first we multiply by 435 by 7. So 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 7 3s are 21 plus 3, 24. So 4 here, 2 carry, 7 4s are 28 plus 2 carry is equal to 30. So 435 multiplied by 7 is equal to 3045. Now next we multiply by tens digit. What is the tens digit? Tens is 2. The place value of 2 is tens, means 20. So we put 1 0 of 20 here. Again this is 2. Again 2 area up to 6 digit. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 0. Carry 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 carry 7. And 2 4s are 8. So 435 multiplied by 20 is equal to 8,700. Now again you multiply by 100. So 435 multiplied by 100. So we put 2 0 of 100 here right side. राइट साइड में आप दोनों जीरो पुट करेंगे, कभी भी लेफ्ट साइड में नहीं करेंगे. सो राइट पुट 2 0, देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. Now we get three products. First product of multiply by 7, second is multiply by 20, third is 435 multiply by 100. Now add these all products. 5, then 4 0 0 4, then 7 plus 5 12, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 3 15, then 1 carry. So 4 plus 1 5. So 435 multiplied by 127 is equal to 55,245. So students, when we will do these sums step by step, we can solve it very easily. There is no problem to do these types of sums. When we will do 2-digit multiplication or 3-digit number multiplication, so you will do from this method, then you have no problem to do these types of sums. So students, write down sum number C and sum number D. Now students, write down your homework. These are the 4 sums which I will give you. I am giving you in the homework. Multiplication by 2-digit and 3-digit numbers, both. 2 sums of 2-digit numbers and 2 sums of multiplication by 3-digit numbers. So you have to solve these sums by yourself. If you have any query, any problem regarding these sums, then we will discuss in the live class. So try to complete these sums yourself. Don't take help anyone. So बेटे किसी की हेल्प मत लीजिएगा. You have to do yourself. See class work. पहले आप class work देखिए. See the video very carefully. Then write down these sums in the homework. So students, this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.